Going to continue with exercise 5, machine learning experiments and performance measure. So some overview, we'll be using 3 regression models for the comparison and also visualization. First one will be linear regression, followed by decision tree regression, and finally is the random forest regression. So below are the steps for this particular experiment. So first one will prepare the target variable, the time to failure, and filter to only store the failure cases. Step 2 will be selecting the new features and target plus the temperature difference that we created earlier and convert the type to factor. Step 3 will perform the train test split, and the subsequent will be the regression models creation. So the first regression model creation will be the linear regression, and this is the output. And for the output of linear regression, we can see that it is 65.38 minutes. And subsequent is the decision tree regression, and the particular result that we receive is 71.74 minutes. And finally, the random forest regression, which we received 62.01 minutes. So what are we going to do with all those values? We'll next proceed with the model comparison. So from this visualization, you can note that the random forest having the lowest RMSE. So next is the actual versus the predicted plot for the best model, which is the random forest. As we can see, if the point cluster closely around the 45-degree lines, then the predictions are accurate. From here, we can see that the deviations from this line indicates that the predictions error, it is over or under estimation. And the limited data shown suggests that some prediction aligns well. So for example, the 100 predicted versus 100 actual, while others are not. So for example, is for the 200 predicted versus the 150 actual. So next we have the variable importance plot from the random forest showing the impact of the different features on the prediction. From the x-axis, metrics like the percentage of INC MSE. So increase in mean square error means that if the higher values of torque or temperature difference indicates greater influence on the model prediction, and time and air temperature seems less important because it is in the shortest bar. So the purpose of this importance plot is to identify which variables most affect the model's performance. Next, we will also perform the make new predictions, and for this new prediction, we can see that the predicted time to failure will be 207.7 minutes. That's all for exercise 5. Thank you.